Okay guys, so it's like 4 a.m. and today we're gonna go to Lake Humantay. It's at a super high altitude and it's kind of far away. So we're heading out there now and we should get there in about 2 or 3 hours and have breakfast and then start the hike.
Damn, Serena.
Ven, acércate, quiero sentirte más real. Te puedo encontrar si se activa mi radar. Eres tú que con mirarme.
Time to vlog. I can't even talk and walk at the same time now.
Me atrapaste. Eres tú que juegas siempre en amor.
So we're going up to Lake Humantay and we were walking up for the first part of the trek, but with the altitude and the steepness, me and my mom were both dying. It's really hard to breathe, and even with medication, you know, taking precautions, it's really like uncomfortable to have altitude sickness. You can't take deep breaths. It feels like you're almost suffocating when you're walking too fast. Even talking now is like, I'm winded. So we decided to just get a horse instead for 70 soles. And it's honestly been much better since, because now I can breathe again and I have time to record video and photos. So yeah. So we're up now at Lake Humantay. We've been up here for about 20 minutes now and it was beautiful weather when we first came, so you'll see those shots. But now it's raining and quite foggy, as you can see in the background. And yeah, it is quite rainy, and yes, I am wearing a poncho. I never thought this day would come that I would wear a rain poncho, but here we are. And yeah, we'll be heading back down in about like 15 minutes, and the walk is about an hour, and then we'll be heading back to Cusco. But yeah, this place is like honestly amazing. I haven't been to Machu Picchu yet, but so far this is like, in my opinion, like one of the most breathtaking things I've seen in Cusco so far. Down the way that we came, and around this area is where we got on the horses. Best decision ever. So we probably have maybe another like 20 minutes until the bottom. It's still raining and gross, but it was definitely worth the exertion of energy, I guess.
Serena,